Every 36 seconds, someone dies from heart disease. That's over 2,300 lives lost every single day. Think about that. In the time it takes to finish this video, several people will have lost their lives to this silent killer. And here's the part that shocks most people. Heart disease doesn't always come with loud warnings. No flashing signs, no blaring alarms. It works quietly, silently, often unnoticed until it's too late. Now I want you to imagine something. Imagine you, right now. You feel fine. You're busy juggling life, chasing deadlines, running errands, and caring for the people you love. You might feel a little tired or stressed, but that's normal, right? But what if that tiredness is more than just exhaustion? What if your heart is struggling, giving you subtle signs that you've been too busy to notice? The good news? It doesn't have to end this way. The silent killer doesn't have to win. There are simple, natural ways to protect your heart and give it the strength to carry you through a long, healthy life. And here's the best part. You don't need complicated treatments, extreme diets, or endless hours at the gym. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Together, we'll uncover the truth about heart health and break down the small, manageable steps you can take today to make a big difference. And stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal one surprising science-backed remedy that has been proven to support heart health, and it might already be in your kitchen. So, are you ready to take control of your heart health? Let's start by uncovering what makes this silent killer so dangerous, and why so many people don't see it coming. Most people think they know how to keep their hearts healthy. Eat less fat, they say. Avoid cholesterol. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. What if those things you've been told for years are actually leading you down the wrong path? Let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. Cholesterol alone is the problem. This has been drilled into us for decades, but here's the truth. It's not just about cholesterol. The real culprit is chronic inflammation. When your arteries become inflamed, it's like sandpaper scraping their walls. Cholesterol just tries to patch up the damage, but inflammation is what starts the fire. Myth number 2. Heart disease is all genetics. Sure, your DNA plays a role, but here's the fact. Your lifestyle, what you eat, how you move, and how you handle stress, has an even bigger impact. You can't control your genes, but you can control your choices. Myth number 3. If I feel fine, I must be healthy. This one is the most dangerous of all. Heart disease often gives no symptoms until it's too late. By the time you feel chest pain, shortness of breath, or extreme fatigue, the damage could already be done. But here's the good news. You don't need to wait for symptoms to start protecting your heart. Prevention is powerful and it's easier than you think. Small, natural changes can make a massive difference, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Now, what if I told you there's one natural remedy that stands above the rest? It's simple, effective, and backed by science. Curious? We're getting to that soon. The solution to protecting your heart isn't about dramatic overhauls or restrictive diets. It's about small, meaningful changes that build up over time. The key lies in 3 simple pillars. Let's break them down. What you eat matters. Think of food as fuel for your heart. Whole foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fish are packed with nutrients that fight inflammation and improve heart function. But just as important as what you add to your diet is what you avoid. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and trans fats. These are the silent saboteurs of your health. Cutting back on these can reduce strain on your heart and lower your risk of disease. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs regular exercise to stay strong. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity a day, whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or even dancing in your living room, can reduce your risk of heart disease by over 30%. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a quick evening walk can add up. Remember, movement is medicine for your heart. Stress is like a slow poison for your heart. Chronic stress raises your blood pressure, increases inflammation, and can even lead to harmful habits like overeating or skipping exercise. But there's good news. Managing stress doesn't have to be complicated. Simple habits like meditation, journaling, or deep breathing can help calm your mind and ease the strain on your heart. And here's something you might not expect. Laughter. Yes, even laughing more often has been scientifically proven to boost your heart health. So go ahead, find more reasons to smile. It's good for your heart and your soul. But here's the big question. What's the one natural remedy most people overlook when it comes to heart health? It's simple, it's effective, And it might already be in your home. Let's talk about that next. After everything we've discussed, the myths, the lifestyle changes, you might be wondering, what's the one natural remedy most people overlook? Well, here it is. What if I told you that one of the most powerful ways to protect your heart is dark chocolate? Yes, dark chocolate, specifically the kind that's at least 70% cocoa, has been scientifically proven to benefit your heart. It's packed with flavonoids, natural compounds that improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even reduce bad cholesterol levels. But here's the catch. It needs to be pure. The darker, the better. And moderation is key. Just one small square a day is enough to give your heart a healthy boost without overdoing it. So, let's bring it all together. Protecting your heart starts with small, intentional choices. Eat foods that fight inflammation, like greens, berries, nuts, and fish. Move your body daily, even if it's just a brisk walk. Manage your stress with mindfulness, meditation, or even laughter. And don't forget to indulge in a little dark chocolate, a sweet treat with big benefits for your heart. Your heart is the engine of your life. It works tirelessly, every second of every day. Treat it with care, and it will carry you further than you ever imagined. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite heart-healthy habit? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.